Right, hello, welcome back to the channel. Doing a quick video today if you ever strip a thread on your motorbike. When I was doing my wheel up yesterday, I noticed I tried to tighten this one back up and see how it just keeps spinning. So that's threaded, that is. So this first thing you need to do is get the bolt back out. See, if I spin that now, it just does nothing. It looks like I can poke it from behind. So pull your bolt back out. And then what you want to do, you want to get one of these Heli coil kits. So you get your Heli coils, you get this tool here, you get this that like screws it in. You can use this on a thread. I won't be able to use it here because the wheel's going to be in the way, so I'll have to like tap the thread with something else. But I'll just quickly show you how you do it. The first thing we need to do, in the Heli coil kit, you'll get a drill piece, which will be specific for the Heli coil kit. It won't be like a 8mm or 8.3mm, that is. So I'm going to do this all in real time, so I'm just going to get my drill. There it is. Right, so first thing we need to do is drill out the hole. We're going to try and come in as nice and straight as we possibly can. Do you know what, actually I want to drill it from behind, because that's where the thread's no good. So coming from behind. Right, so I'm back again. I had a bit of difficulty putting the 8.3mm through, which was that one. So what I had to do first was I put an 8mm through first, and then I put the 8.3 after. It seemed to be grabbing on the alley a bit too hard. So then once you put the 8.3 drill through, let's come down here. You just got to put the tap on and then just put the thread in. It's taking a bit longer than I thought. That's it, we've come through. Once you're through, just take it back out. It's only because of the position of this is what it's making it a bit awkwarder. I mean, you can buy the tap wrench that's like a socket that goes on the end, which is smaller than that, which would have been better for this job. But this will just give you a rough idea what to do. So once you've done that bit, get one of the Heli coils. It's got the little tag on the back thing. Put that through so that grabs onto it like that. I mean, ideally I should come through this way. I don't think it's going to fit. So I'm going to have to go in from the back. So what I'll do is put it onto the hole. So you line it up with the hole you've just tapped, and you just turn it. start feeding him. There we go. Once that's in, you get this tool, push it in the hole, and you just bang it from behind. Don't knock that tab off. So you get it from behind. There we go. So there's the proof in the pudding. Is it going to work? Just find that bolt. So put the bolt back in. Feels tight. It's a lot tighter than it was before. I think we have a result. So you ain't got to absolutely bollock these up. So yeah, that's beautiful. Nice and tight. That's how I know it's not a professional video, but it was just to give you a rough idea, see how it worked. I mean, I thought I was in trouble. Get a Heli coil kit, about £12. I'll throw a link in the description below. But this will work on exhaust bolts, anything with a thread. You stick your Heli coil in and it can save you an expensive repair. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.